called out by my dad to a mystery location. He's in front of me right now. I have no idea where I'm going or what we're doing, but hopefully we get content out of it. All right, so we just got here and it turns out it's our friend's grand opening for his warehouse he just bought. And it's like kind of like a mini car show. The AMG over here, Papa's Lambo. We got this extremely clean M4. My opinion, best generation M4. I love this. This is the perfect car. Beautiful Supra over here too. A nice little wing back there. But I want to go check out what's inside. This absolutely beautiful Performante. I've always been a fan of white on Huracans, so this kind of just hit the spot for me. But this place is so chill. Vintage Coke machine twin. Oh, this is crazy. Vlog, bro? YouTube vlog. All right, it's back working. And then, nice. No, that's crazy. This car, if you know, you know. It's kind of like a Brazilian exclusive. It's a Volkswagen. Here we go. That's the dude's at. Go follow him. He has a collection specifically of these cars. It's crazy. It's this, the VW SP2. This thing is rare. We have this vintage Mustang. Absolutely beautiful condition. Look at this thing. It actually looks like it just rolled off the lot. It looks perfect. A 599. Look at this. Honestly, out of all these cars, probably I would take the Mustang. I almost forgot about the star of the show. The Miata twin. This is tough. This is Aura. Probably the least chopped Miata I've ever seen in my entire life. Look at this. It's beautiful. This is actually a really nice Miata. I like this a lot. Even the spec is cool. I don't think I've ever seen a Miata in this color. I've never seen a car in this shape either. Actually, now that I'm looking at it, it kind of looks like my car. But next spot. Apparently the next spot is a meet at a crumble cookie 30 minutes from here. I have no idea what we're gonna find there, but hopefully it's something cool. I cannot make this up, bro. On my radiator, I found a lily pad. Like a bag. Bro's low-key broke, so he only put 40 bucks in the SVJ. And now we're gonna go ahead and dip. We just got to Crumble Cookie. This meat is lit. Yo, this meat is tough. Yo. Okay, all jokes aside, I was just told that we were meeting here with the M3 to go to the meet. I thought that low-key this was the meet. I was about to cry. Oh! No, I did not know he was about this life, bro. I can just sense the aura of the M3. Like, I know I'm a Mercedes glazer for life, but the M3 is tough. Oh, hold on, wait, this could be... Oh, that proved my point. Mercedes over BMW. You saw that? M3 got no attention. He came over here to flick up with the Mercedes. Definitely not the SVJ next to me. It was for the Mercedes. I think we found the meat, bro. Yo, what is going on here? Oh, is it in there? Oh, it's in there, isn't it? Hold on, I'm gonna just cut the line. Nah, we're cutting the line. So it turns out the meat was not dead. In fact, it's definitely a good feeling seeing people taking pictures of your car when there's a literal SVJ sitting in front of you. Yeah, no, I feel like we have the entire meet looking at us right now, bro. This is a lot of people. I'm camera shy, I don't want to get out the car. Yo, welcome to Puerto Rico, bro. We just landed. Look at this. There's so much going on. Let's explore this meet real quick. I don't want to hang around my car all day. Nah, this is tough. Oh!
Oh, ah, moca con la dirección, te sacan el cañón, te pueden hacer bobo. La calle un partido yo.
This is clean. Damn! You see, now if he had low glow, this would look better. This ain't no low glow. What the hell? Nah, stop everything, stop everything. Yo, we got way more cars pulling in too. Look at this GTR. Ah, this is tough. This sticker is so tough. I want this thing. I want this thing. This is tough. Yo, how do I get me one of these? I was looking at this car. I seen about 4 cops over there. All the music just turned off, so I'm assuming it's something not good. Just because that cop is putting pressure on those cars, we're supposed to leave. So I'm gonna go ahead and get back to my car before anything bad happens. That was fun while it lasted. What is he saying? He's saying something. Yo, I skipped this. This is the best thing in the whole meet. This is the best thing here, bro. Oh. What the? He's pissing! We're dipping. We're just taking this tape down and reversing and getting the hell out of here before our cars get impounded. So we got these cops over here. Yeah, I'll race you, I'll race you. What is going on, bro? Nobody was impounded. Nobody got a ticket. Nobody got arrested. I'd say that was pretty successful. All right, location number 2 has been found. Everyone's still migrating. For the meantime, it's kind of just like this part. This thing caught my eye. This is the LC 500, I think. Don't quote me on it. Beautiful, dude. White, slammed, chrome wheels. I mean, it's pretty much perfect. Which one are you guys taking? M3 or M3? This thing is clean, dude. I'm pretty sure this is a wrap. This thing looks good. Slammed on its nuts, too. Incredible. A little snake eyes. Man, damn, dude. Now, if we move away from the cars over here, we got a little hidden gem. A little E30. This thing looks good. Kind of looks blue on camera, but deep purple, white wheels. This looks like a spec that we'd have in our garage. I really like this car. This thing is tough. This thing is nice. I like this. I'm rocking with this one. If one SVJ wasn't cool enough for you guys, maybe 2 is. This is the Batman spec, all black with red accents. And same owner, a GT3 RS. This is getting absurd, dude. They said they're both out of gas, so we gotta go to a gas station before anything else. But I think we're gonna dip from the little meat spot just to be us 4. I have a very big feeling that as soon as this light turns green, something's gonna happen. So I'm just gonna preemptively record, just in case, you know. There's a random gut feeling. I don't know why, I just assumed the gas station was gonna be lonely. It is not lonely, bro. We got everyone here. I like that M3 a lot, dude. No shot, right? No shot. Already? I'm still fueling my car. Low-key, bro, I'm just stopping. I'm missing too much action. We put 40 bucks in. That's enough. All right, so now we finally finished fueling. Look at the interior of this thing, by the way. You got the bucket seats? Yes, he does. The blacked out M3 or the blacked out SVJ? Or the cop car? This is crazy, dude. This is crazy. All right, I think it's time to go. There's more and more cops every second. Something bad's gonna happen. Yo. Oh my goodness. Okay, I don't even know what the game plan is here anymore. I thought we were gonna go hang out alone, but I guess it's another spot. I'm just kind of following the supercars. Yo, can I take a picture? Of course, bro. No. We're on the clock, by the way, doing this. Nah. If y'all have never experienced supercars and groceries, what are you doing, bro? I thought my car was low. Get out of here, bro. Damn. I don't know which one I would pick now. This is difficult. Aside from the GT3 being beautiful, and we all know that, I think it's the first car that can actually compete wing size with my wing. Because I don't really know how to measure this, but just off visually, I'm pretty sure it's the same size. Well, I think this is a wrap. Time to go home, gentlemen. We're gonna get some last rollers and then go to bed. Is this real life? Oh my God! Oh my days! Yo! Bro, infiltrated! Who is that? Who the hell is that? We just got home. SVJ is home safe along with the 488. I'm actually not sure if you guys have been introduced to the 488 yet. So this is Papa Pig's 488 Challenge Evo on bags and Rohana wheels. If the SVJ wasn't crazy enough, there you have it. And then there's the full carbon trofeo, which if any of you guys follow me on any of my other socials, which I'll put right here, Sir Puffer, you would have seen this. And the GT2 RS. Damn. But anyway, that's gonna be it for tonight, y'all. I love you all. Thank you so much for staying. Y'all be safe.